What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today got the Mongoose Blackcomb behind me, and this video is gonna be a little bit different because I don't know if you can see, but that looks a little bit different back there. And what I'm trying to do, let me tell you right after this, but if you haven't, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. If you want to support the channel, there's a link for you down in the description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you haven't turned the notification bell on. Other than that, let me tell you what I'm gonna be doing. So, as you know, many of you know, the Mongoose Blackcomb, it came out like in 2004, 2005, somewhere in there. That's when I got this one. However, it's a 26-inch bike, okay? And what I have been wanting to try out is to see if I can fit a different size wheel on this bike. I know the front is pretty easy because I already upgraded the fork. However, I did upgrade it for a 26-inch fork. But I think I have a lot of room in there to put in a 27.5 in the front, no issues, or use putting a different fork to fit a 29. However, the rear is a little bit different. And now I have my wife's 27.5 polygon Cascade 4, and it doesn't matter what size cassette, because remember, this one came in with a cassette stock from factory. And this is what I have over here in the rear right now. I have put in a 27.5-inch wheel at the rear. However, it's deflated and there is rubbing. And let me show you where that thing is doing that. Remember, I don't have a kickstand on this one, so it's actually rubbing over here. So I want to see if I can trim this off right here and be able to fit a 27.5-inch wheel. I know these are not the widest tire, but I'd rather have a 27.5 Blackcomb than a regular 26-inch Blackcomb. So let's see how we're gonna approach this and go from there. So I know there's many of you that are fine of extreme measures using this with Wolf Dick, with Jeremiah and El Capitan. So this is gonna be my first attempt. Let's use the freaking grinder, grind this thing off. Not getting the best results with it because of the angle. So, I have a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade. Maybe I can get in there. I don't want to cut the whole thing because I don't want to make the strength go away. But let's see what we can do. Well, Seems like I have plenty of space. I just gotta clean this up, file it up a little better. And I think it's gonna be a success. So I gotta put air on the rear tire. And let's just wait and see. All right, rear confirmed. Tire fully inflated, no rubbing. Awesome. So I know there's another subscriber, YouTuber that's starting a channel that has a Blackcomb, Dr. Frankenstein. A little bit of trimming, 27.5s. Now let's see the front. This is a Lutu fork. It's a 20. I bought it as a 26, but there's a lot of space over here in the front. Pretty sure the front is also gonna fit. Let's see. That thing is a success. I don't have a chain in here yet because I took it off. I took off the group set altogether because I'm probably gonna put in the box 2, the box 4. But I'm just gonna take it outside just for a quick spin and make sure everything turns as it should. So, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and turn the notifications bell on so you don't miss any future content. If you would like to support the channel, link down in the description, buy me a cup of coffee. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys. Let's ride.